Hello friends, my name is Samantha Edwards. I'm the founder and CEO of New Breed Meats, and I'm also certified in plant-based nutrition and the author of Cookbook, The Better Way. I'm here to tell you all about the wonderful benefits of having a healthy start to your day, and that is through none other than a wonderful breakfast. Well, we find that it is the custom of society to take a slight breakfast, but this really is not the best way to treat the body. Why? We find that breakfast is necessary in order to do three main things. And that is, it helps, number one, to boost our energy levels. We find that in the morning times, we're often sluggish, we feel tired, and we just don't really feel the best. Well, breakfast will really help to give us that boost that we need to get our day going strong. Secondly, breakfast is really helpful in helping to improve our cognitive ability and our mental capacity. Sometimes our thoughts are not really connecting as it should. Our mind is foggy and it's all over the place. A good breakfast and a solid breakfast will really help to take care of that issue. Lastly, what a strong breakfast does in the morning is really help us to support metabolism and to support our weight. So oftentimes we feel like we're packing on the weight and we don't know where it's coming from. Well, oftentimes we're snacking throughout the day. And why are we snacking throughout the day? It's because we're hungry. We haven't really taken the time to have a good breakfast. So we're just eating any and anything that comes in our way. So we want to make sure that we're having something really solid and healthy in the morning. And what does that look like practically? Well, we like to eat from 4 categories of food, and that is fruits, nuts, grains, and vegetables. So as you can see here, we have a little display of what some of those things are. Of course, we're all familiar with fruit. So we always want to have a fresh fruit in the morning. Apples and pears, pineapples, grapes. You just want to have fresh fruit because fruits are cleansing for the body. And we really need that cleanse first thing in the morning. Another thing that we also want to include is whole grains, such as millet and corn and rice, brown rice, quinoa, steel-cut oats, and there's so many others. There's rye and barley and many other grains that we can include in the morning that will give us the fiber that we need to help us to feel full longer so we don't feel the need to be snacking, and also helps to regulate our blood sugar levels as well. Next, we also want to have a good serving of nuts, raw nuts, such as pecans and almonds and walnuts, which are high in omegas. These are the things that's really going to help our minds in the throughout the day. Also, we want to include seeds as well. Some things like sunflower seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, as well as pumpkin seeds, which are high in zinc. These are all of the wonderful things that God has created for our benefit so that we will be the best version of ourselves. So I encourage you today and every day to have a good start of your day, and that is to include breakfast as a healthy part of your day. God bless you.